Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to fix IPv6 connectivity, no internet access. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I'm going to share with you within 5 steps how you can fix that. First of all, go on your search icon and type here Cmd, and then you will find here command port. Simply right click over there and click here run as administrator, and then you will see there will be a command prompt will appear. Here you have to type some command. I'll put all the command in my video description link. You can easily copy and paste it here. First of all, go on my video description and you will find here some command name netsh winsock reset catalog. Simply copy that command from my video and paste it here and then hit enter. After hitting enter, after some time it will give you option to restart your PC, but wait, you have to run another command. This is the second command. Simply copy this command again from my video description and paste it there, and again click run, and after that this machine is going to tell you to restart your PC. Then try to restart your PC and then try to see your connection is working or not. If it is not, let me share with you the second step. Second step is in your network. Right click over there and then click here properties, and then click here change adapter setting. Whatever connection you are connected with your internet, just right click over there, click on properties, and then you will find here internet protocol version 6 TCP. So simply uncheck that and click on OK, and then try is it working or not. If it is not working, let me share with you the step number 3. Go on your this PC, right click over there and then click on manage. Whenever you click on manage, you will see there will be a new screen appear. On the left side you will find something called device manager. On the right side you will see network adapter, and then here you will see all the network connected with your PC. This is wireless, so right click over there and then click on update driver, and then try to choose browse my computer for driver software, and then click here let me pick up, and then choose the latest one, and then try to next, and then see your IPv6 or that still there is error or not. So this is the step number 3. Try to update, but make sure don't worry that you have to update by manually. This no need internet connection. So without internet connection you can easily update it from your PC. So this is the step number 3, and then try to restart your PC and then see is there still error or not. If it is not working, let me show you to step number 4. Go on your device search icon and then type here services, and then you will find here services. Here you have to type find out IP helper. Just click I, and then you will see I related all the services will appear here. You can see here this is the IP helper. Double click on it and make it disable, and then click on apply and then click on OK, and then restart your PC, and after that try to see is it working or not. If it is not working, the last step is go on your device search icon and type here troubleshoot, and then you will find here troubleshoot. First of all, you can see get up and running. You can see internet connection. Click over there and click the run the troubleshooter, and then see if is it working properly or not. If it is not, scroll down, and then here you will find another network adapter. Choose that and then again click run the troubleshooter. After this run troubleshooter successful, restart your PC. Hopefully it's going to be work. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.